Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we discuss series resonance. Resonance frequency. In RLC series circuit, there are three conditions. XL is greater than XC, XL is smaller than XC, and XL equal to XC. So third condition is XL is equal to XC. That is resonance condition. XL is nothing but 2 pi FL, and XC is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi FC. So F square equal to FR square equal to 1 upon 2 pi square LC. Taking square root both sides, we get resonant frequency FR equal to 1 divided by 2 pi under root LC hertz, and it is in radian. Resonant frequency omega r equal to 1 divided by under root LC. Now, this is an reactance versus frequency graph. Series resonance frequency is FR, condition is XL equal to XC. When this resonant frequency of a circuit is less than resonant frequency, circuit becomes capacitive. That means if frequency is less, capacitor increases, XC increases. So XC is greater here, right? So capacitive circuit. And if frequency of circuit is greater than resonant frequency, circuit behaves as a inductive. If frequency is greater, XL is greater, so inductive type of circuit is there. So this is an XC graph, and this is XL. Frequency is directly proportional to XL, and frequency is inversely proportional to XC. Inversely proportional to XC, and frequency directly proportional to XL. So this is an reactance versus frequency graph. Next, series resonance. At what condition resonance occur? Current is maximum, when current is maximum and impedance is minimum. XL equal to XC, this is an condition. So VL equal to VC and Z equal to R. XL and X in RLC series circuit, Z is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC square. So XL and XC are cancel each other, therefore Z is equal to R. That means minimum impedance is there. And power factor, Z is equal to R, so power factor is 1, that is unity power factor. This is a resonance impedance waveform. So curve look like this. In case of capacitive, curve like this. In case of inductive, curve like this. And when Z is equal to R, at resonant frequency is constant. This is a dynamic impedance. And this is a graph of resonance current. FR is resonance frequency. At this point, maximum current occur because V is equal to I is equal to V upon R. And for this, I is equal to V divided by ZC, that is XC, and I is equal to V divided by XL. Right? Another part is Q factor. Q factor is nothing but resonant frequency upon bandwidth. Bandwidth was what? Higher frequency minus lower frequency. higher frequency minus lower frequency. At that stage, current is maximum, that is RMS value of current. FR divided by bandwidth, it is nothing but omega RL divided by R. Omega RL, that is XL, inductive reactance, XL divided by R. Finally, we calculate, we got 1 upon R under root L divided by C, or Q factor equal to 1 upon omega R C into R is equal to XC upon R. 1 upon omega R C is nothing but XC divided by R. And it is going to, finally we get 1 upon R under root L by C. Thank you.